Looking for a high-quality 10-inch miter saw blade to upgrade your workshop? Whether you're cutting wood, plywood, or even metal, the right blade can make a huge difference in precision and efficiency. In this video, we'll cover top-rated 10-inch miter saw blades, from professional-grade woodworking options to versatile blades recommended by hobbyists online. Stick around to discover which blade might suit your projects best. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips on tools and workshop upgrades. Let's dive in. Number 1. DEWALT DW30 106P5 10-inch miter saw blades. The DEWALT DW30 106P5 combo pack includes 2 blades, a 60-tooth fine finish blade, and a 32-tooth general-purpose blade, perfect for a wide range of cutting tasks. With durable tungsten carbide teeth, these blades stay sharp longer, giving clean, accurate cuts on softwood, hardwood, plywood, and chipboard. The thin Kerf design reduces material waste and makes cutting faster and smoother, putting less strain on your saw. A computer balance plate minimizes vibration for more accurate cuts, while the patented wedge shoulder design strengthens the carbide tips for extra durability. Compatible with most 10-inch miter and sliding miter saws, this combo is versatile enough for both finish cuts and general-purpose ripping. Check the latest price on Amazon to see if these DEWALT blades fit your next project. Number 2. IRWIN 14074 10-inch miter saw blade. The IRWIN 14074 is a 60-tooth, ultra-thin Kerf blade designed for precision and efficiency. Its thin design delivers more cuts per battery charge when using cordless saws, ideal for those on the go. Diamond ground carbide teeth provide fast, clean cuts across plywood, melamine, engineered wood, and framing lumber. The aggressive hook angle speeds up cutting without sacrificing finish quality, making it great for trim and finish work. Precision tensioning and balancing reduce vibration and heat buildup, while built-in heat vents prevent warping. Compatible with most miter and table saws, this blade is a versatile choice for both fine woodworking and framing projects. Visit Amazon for more details on the IRWIN 14074. Number 3. Makita A93681 10-inch miter saw blade. Makita's A93681 blade uses a TAF alternate top and alternate face teeth for ultra-precise cuts with minimal tear out, ideal for hardwood, plywood, and detailed woodworking. The Japanese ultra-thin Kerf carbide teeth reduce motor strain for smoother, faster cuts while fully hardened. Hand-tension steel ensures stable, true cuts. Polished 600 grit microcarbide teeth give a mirror-like finish and long-lasting durability. With 80 teeth and a 5/8 inch arbor, this lightweight 1.75-pound blade fits most 10-inch miter saws, offering excellent performance for precision crosscuts and miter work. Check the latest price on Amazon if you're looking to upgrade your miter saw blade. Number 4. TOYAKI 10-inch miter saw blade. The TOYAKI blade features 120 teeth for ultrafine cuts, delivering a smooth finish on wood and soft materials. Its tooth design reduces vibration, giving consistent, accurate results while minimizing material waste. Made from high-grade steel, it's built to last, and the standard arbor size ensures compatibility with most miter saws. Lightweight yet durable, this blade is excellent for furniture, trim, or detailed woodworking projects. Visit Amazon to explore more about the TOYAKI 10-inch blade. Number 5. IRWIN BL1060 10-inch miter saw blade. The IRWIN BL1060 is a 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade ideal for fine finish cuts on hardwoods and softwoods, including pine, oak, maple, cherry, and walnut. Its ultra-thin Kerf reduces waste while delivering smooth, efficient cuts. Heat expansion slots maintain accuracy by preventing warping, and a protective coating guards against rust, corrosion, resin buildup, and gumming. Lightweight and durable, this blade provides consistent performance for both professionals and hobbyists. Check the latest price on Amazon to see if the IRWIN BL1060 suits your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this 10-inch miter saw blade review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your favorite blade in the comments. For more expert tips on woodworking and metal cutting tools, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update.